Imagine all of your users having a power user sitting right next to them. Someone who knows everything there is to know about the underlying platform and is ready to guide each user through their processes or answer any question they might have. Regardless of where your users are working, in the office or remotely at home, the power user is ready to assist them 24/7. The name of this power user is Ziplyne. Ziplyne is a digital adoption platform that allows users to receive real-time in-app guidance within any web-based application. In other words, Ziplyne acts as a layer of interactive guidance that can be customized according to the interfaces and processes where you want to accelerate user adoption. As opposed to classroom-based training or learning courses or how-to videos, Ziplyne's in-app guides are designed to be consumed in the flow of work to ensure that your users are more efficient and productive at the time of need. The Ziplyne guides, or zips as they're commonly called, can be configured to understand the attributes of a user so that within the different roles they can see a list of zips that apply to their own goals within a given platform. So let's take a quick look at how Ziplyne can interact within Workday. If you can see here on the right side of my screen, I have a yellow widget pulled up. This would be the Ziplyne widget sitting on top of the Workday interface. So as a user, let's say I'm getting onboarded or retrained within a specific module within Workday, I can actually click on that widget, which would expand into this menu of help here. So within this menu of help are a series of zips or step-by-step guides that are available to me in the role that I have within the organization so that I can take a look at everything I need to complete my tasks or my processes in real time. So let's say, for example, as an employee of an organization, I wanted to request an absence within Workday. So here I find the zip that applies to what I want to do. I could click on it. That would then start this layered approach that has a series of pop-ups that tell me where to go, what to do, and how to go about each step within this process. So the first thing that it's telling me to do is click on this absence module. Then we're going to travel across pages where it's going to ask me to click on the request absence button. And now we're going to start doing some things. So here it's going to tell me to select a date range and a type for the leave. So here I'm going to select my date range, select my type of leave here and click next. Now it's asking me to review my request. Everything here looks great, so I'm going to click next here. I can leave any comments here. Let's just go ahead and do that. And as I press next, you can see on this last step that there's a video embedded directly inside this pop-up here. So this is another way that organizations are using Ziplyne, is to drive their resources, whether it's videos or even if they want to throw a hyperlink in there that can drive users to a knowledge base or even an LMS. You can put all of that stuff within a pop-up. Also, there might be a screenshot or a PDF, different materials that you want to drive from external channels into the application. You can do that through Ziplyne. Right? So now as a user, I don't have to leave Workday to go view something else. I can simply watch it or interact with it or read it directly inside the Workday system, which helps to keep that high level of engagement within your platform. Right? So now that I've watched my video, I can then complete my process by clicking submit. Right? So that would be one example of Ziplyne on top of Workday. I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.